You on the air, baby?
This is Lena reporting from the Weather Channel, and I'm standing in front of Ralph's Data Bar in Jupiter, Florida, and the winds are really kicking out here. They're bad. As a matter of fact, Jerry, if you can stand over to that intersection here, you can see that the lights are out now, and they're probably gonna, oh my God, I'm getting rained on. Oh, I'm getting wet now. Oh, my hat's gonna blow. Oh, look, the wind is holding me up. It's actually holding me up here. There's still actually people on the road here. They've been told to go home, but they're not listening. The lights are out. There's some people leaving the car. It's going to be a dangerous scene there, Gary. I'm telling you, it's going to be dangerous. We're getting ready to pan back to Jim Cantori down in Miami right now. Back to you, Jim.
Well, we're going to go back to Ralph's Stand Up Bar.